On this edition of the Inside Lane, we'll be giving you a quick rundown of our 1936 Aero 30. Czechoslovakian aircraft company Aero began producing simple, so-called cycle cars in 1929 with the introduction of the 10. By 1934, Aero released its first successful front-wheel drive car, the 30. Front-wheel drive was a new technology in the early 1930s, so Aero was on the cutting edge with the A30. These cars were also well known to be durable, long-distance cruisers, with many Aero 30s completing endurance runs across Africa and Asia. Backing up the beautiful pre-war styling was a longitudinally mounted 998cc two-stroke two-cylinder engine. The lever for a 3-speed non-synchro mesh manual sprouts from under the dash. With no drivetrain running through the center of the car, front-wheel drive cars naturally have roomier interiors. The A30's comfy 4-seater layout is no exception. Following World War II, Aero produced about 500 more A30s, in addition to the 7,780 made before the war. Even though new designs existed, Aero stopped making cars in 1947 after the Czech government decided to nationalize auto production. The company continues to make aircraft to this day under the name Aero Vodochody. The Aero 30's classic lines and two-tone finish make it one of Lane Motor Museum's favorites among visitors. For more information on other cars from the museum's collection, check out our newest book, A Hobby Gone Wild, available for purchase at lanemotormuseum.org.